Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, we are going to look into this amazing tool called en-grok, which allows you to put your local website into internet in a matter of seconds. It is really useful for code demos, hackathons, or while developing chatbots. I use it a lot while developing chatbots and in hackathons. First, I'll show you guys how it looks like, how to run it on a computer, and then we can look into how to configure it and look at all the features it has to offer. Okay. I have a local web server up and running in localhost 8000 port. I have also installed en-grok in my machine already. Now I will run en-grok and I'll tell en-grok to listen to port 8000 because that's where my localhost is running. And as soon as I start en-grok, it will generate a public URL for me, and this public URL is accessible in the internet and it securely tunnels to your local host. And look at this. So anyone with this URL should be able to access your website. It is that simple. en-grok is free to download in all of the major operating systems, and it is pretty easy to install as well. After installing, you might also want to sign up on ngrok.com and then connect your account, which will give you longer tunnel timeouts. en-grok also comes with this dashboard, guys, which gives you all the history about your request. You can also replay your request, and you can also look at all the status, like how much time it took and things like that. And other thing to note is when you restart en-grok, it generates a new URL. Okay, so this is really important. But if you need something consistent, like like programmingrace.ngrok.io every time, you can buy one of the premium account, which will cost you, I think, like $5 a month. So it depends upon what you need. For me, I have never had a use case to pay for it. And yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know what you can use en-grok on, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.